Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you don't know me, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to Cyrus Flight Drifts. Today we're going to be installing a NRG seat right there on a Sparkos baseplate. Pretty easy thing. So yeah, let's get to that. I'm going to just walk you through step by step and we'll get to it. So let's go. So we got the first bolt tightened up. Basically what I'm going to do is, I can't walk you through this because I'm doing this by myself, you know. But basically what you do is you take the hex here. This is a hex. The size on it is a 6mm hex with a 13mm socket. Socket goes on the nut side of it. These are the nuts right here. And then you need to hold it with this, like that, and then tighten the other side. And get it tightened so it's snug. And then do it on both sides, and then put the seat slider. So I'll show you once we're done with both sides and go from there. So we got the seat sliders installed onto the bracket. Very simple. 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nut behind them. A 13mm bolt was a little big, so you want to go probably 12. And then you need a hex on the other side. Hold it, tighten them really tight, and then you're good to go. So now we're gonna put them on the seat. So basically all you have to do is flip the seat over, align which hole you want, and then tighten them and get going, and then we're good to go. So I'll show you once we're done with that.
Sounds great. Sounds great.
So I got this on. The best way I figured out how to do it was take the slides off of the seat. They're T40 Torx. Take them off the seat and put them on here. And then this bolt I did flip the other way because it's long and it would protrude out onto the seat, so I flipped it so it's bolted down here. Tighten them all up tight, and then yeah, so that's it. And now I'm gonna do the fun part, which is put them back on the seat and then in the car. So let's do that. So we got these all tightened up now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch it to the other side. Tighten these 2 bolts, and then we will be able to stick it in the car for the first time. You want these tightened pretty tight. Obviously, you don't want your seat to come off while you're driving. So I just like tighten them and then give them like a good lick. And then yeah, so I'm gonna tighten this last bolt and I'll talk to you once we're done there. So the seat is in, everybody. See it right here? The seat is in. It's very comfortable, very nice. So now we are ready to go drifting officially. So, as usual, I hope everyone has a great day, great week. I'll see you soon. Stay safe out there. See you next one. Stay drifting. Bye-bye.